Here we are motoring along, moving along. 5004, file, open, search, sort. It looks like this. It's a simple demo. Bottom screen, organise yourself before it's too late. It's probably a message to me really, because I don't organise it at all. And I should. So it works like this. Right, we're in Google Earth Studio, of course. We happen to be on a project there with Manchester United's Old Trafford, and you'll also notice very top of the screen that it says untitled, so I've not actually saved it. So let me demonstrate. This is the thing we're looking for, which is open at the moment, and what I mean by that is file, open. Now at the moment it opens like this, and I'm going to bring it up into just a tiny bit of zoom so we can see it. And I'm going to go to full screen just so we can concentrate. So I've gone to file, open, and at the moment, and you're having a quick zoom, you know, nothing private in here, but you'll notice that the very bottom one says January the 3rd. Really? Interesting. And then we've got January the 16th. So what I'm getting at is by file open, I can actually squash down my projects. This is native, I've not changed anything. I can click the plus to add a new folder and start organising, but more importantly I can actually not only last modified, and you see that I've got February the 10th, which was yesterday, so I've not saved anything today, but also I've got December the 12th, so I can do a simple date sort. But the thing that I really like about it, which is useful, is the moment I type in there something like new as an idea, I can instantly see that if I'm in my memory, that have I done anything on New York? Yes, I have. Have I done anything on, say, Buck? And all I have to do is, as I type it, I've got that one Buckingham Palace spiral going on. But if you're doing lots and lots of use in Google Earth Studio, you're going to get lost like really quickly if you don't organise these things. And that includes actually me, because I'm useless at it and I need to get better, and that's why I'm actually working. So here is how we can find out what is going on. Bottom left, import would mean up from your hard drive, and then I'm going to, if I wish to, add a new folder and type it away. Brevity, cancel that, be concise, and say the other thing that I did actually say was file, save, or save as. You'll notice that the moment this one was an untitled, so I've never saved it, to hit save, I can type in my name, of course, relying on the previous video about how my default things come up, and that could actually be a file name as a date or a time or something, as well as the word untitled. But you'll notice also, he says speaking, that I can come in and my file name of Old Trafford, grimacing to actually spell Manchester. I mean, this is a good example, good lesson really, on how we actually save files, and if you've got your own personal system of doing it. Old Trafford's fine, lovely, I know about it. Manchester, of course, is in the UK, but if you're doing things that are miles away and they're not unfamiliar to you, maybe save the file names as something a lot longer that you can find on a keyword search. So there I am normally going to save it. You'll notice that I could actually hit something there and type, say, UK or sports grounds or something, and I could add my folder. I'm not actually going to do that, but I'm going to hit save. So last tip, and that is very simple, that if I've gone in there and say changed a keyframe or something, I could go in and I could say file, save as, and you'll notice this time that I can save it as an automatic Old Trafford Manchester 2 in brackets, but I could also change the actual folder that I wish to go, and then I can actually save it in a different place if it is a different part of the project. That is really important if you want to be proficient, especially when working on different parts of your storyboard in Google Earth Studio. I'm not going to lie, I've got huge plans for this, and pushing these videos through as a help makes me consolidate my own learning, but also actually exploit my knowledge as well as teaching other people. So then when I really start to move fast, and I can move fast, but I'm committing myself to these help videos, then I want to really be literally like, you know, that dancer on the ice, or flying through the air like a pigeon. or anything else, he says. Let's finish this video before it gets out of hand. So there we are. That was 5004. Next one's going to be on viewports, which is a brand new topic. So see you then.